using a new recording software this time. Hopefully everybody will be able to hear my voice this time. So let's go ahead and give this a whirl. I've been doing quite a bit of coding over the holidays, though not as much as I would have hoped. Continue game. So, as you see, there are animations now. Yep. We have props rendering, which can have an animation as well, and the light source as well. So that's nothing crazy. Though I would like to thank our artist Jack Mayer, part of the team now. He's doing animations and concept art for us. We also have another artist coming on soon. And we still have our sound artist David Van Larveth, who is making some phenomenal music for us. So, let's move right into what I've really been diving on a lot, which is this. We break out of the main loop here and we go into design mode. Now, in design mode I can do things like edit anything that's on here. We've got different collision areas. We can move this guy down if we wanted. We can add new collision areas. We'll make a floor over here. That looks good. There's, say, 4 different kinds of collision areas in my engine. One of those being for like stairs. It instantly moves the player to the top. So we'll save that. We'll break out here, and I'll show you what that is. You run into it, it just moves you straight to the top. It may not look right in this particular case, but imagine a whole bunch of these in a stair type pattern. The player could just run right up and run right down it. There's this area, which if you hold down and jump, the player moves through. I guess this is kind of a throwback to the old what games? The Castlevania. They had areas like that. So a bunch of different things we can do with collision areas now. Jump back into design mode here. I'll go ahead and Camtasia's not letting this run at full speed. And anyway, so you can also edit lights in design mode. You can select this one, move it around. You know, put that there. We want to edit all of the variables of the light. We can do so. Make it less bright or more bright. Increase or decrease the luminosity of it. There's that. Different glow sizes, which is basically the color in the center of the light. You can edit the inner, outer, and glow, red, green, and blue alpha values of every single part of the light. So we'll do that. Change that. The inner will be a different color. That there. See, it's a very blue color now, instead of being white. Okay. So what else do we have? Oh yeah, we can promptly delete these if we needed to, or add new ones. Let's get a bright light. Let's get a really bright light going in here. So you'll increase the brightness to 100 brightness, and luminosity will go way up. So look at that. Really bright light. All of this is being run through a background scripting language, which basically when a map loads into the engine, it has certain keywords that you can use to say create this background as you see here. That's real easy to do through the script. It has a foreground and backgrounds layer. You can read in lights and whatnot with the script. You can read in props. All of this is being read in through the script. Let's see, I'll give one more little example here before I end this video. I'm going to add a floor right here. Make it just wide enough. There's that. But I'm actually going to make that wider. A lot wider. We're going to go all the way up to 1,000 so it covers this whole floor. Okay. So there we go. We've got a decent sized floor here, and we're going to set it so that the player can run along that floor. We're going to save this, and we're going to exit design mode, go back to here. Come on, Camtasia. Okay. So you might have noticed right there, there's a motion blur I put in the game, which I'm still refining that. It looks kind of choppy right now. There's too much blur. So yeah, we'll refine that in time. This is kind of what I wanted to show, how the foreground and background layers kind of interact, one on top of the player, one behind. So yeah, that's what I've been working on. As I said, big shout out to all of my team. They've been a really big help. You guys are helping create some really cool stuff here. And thanks for everybody that is watching this series.